Hi cool creators! Today I will tell you how to add end screen on a YouTube. So basically it might help you to get more subscribers when your subscribe button will appear on the end of the video. So super briefly I'll show you and you'll have an idea what to do. Click on your video, go inside in the menu, you can see on the right side button end screen. Also you can do the same procedure if you click on edit video on the left side. So basically you have some automatic options, so you just click it on it and to add automatically like your subscribe button, the best video and so on, or basically you can add anything by yourself. Automatically it gives only 20 seconds, but you can make it shorter if you wish, let's say. And also you can play on a screen, so you can drag the icon on any corner you want, like left or right, top or bottom and so on. So you can put the video, or you can put the playlist, or you can put additional channel, let's say, and you need to write some description. So you just play a couple of minutes and you will be fine. It's super easy, nothing complicated. And if you use some additional tools for the YouTube application, so basically you can make it through the application, but basically everything the same. So now we go to the edit and we can do absolutely the same thing. Okay, hopefully it was useful for you. Stay tuned.